Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the vast cosmos, exploring the wonders of space exploration. From groundbreaking missions to the far reaches of our solar system to the latest discoveries beyond, get ready for an interstellar adventure. Let's take a journey back in time to explore the pivotal historical milestones that laid the foundation for our fascination with space. It all began with the daring endeavors of early space pioneers, individuals who dared to dream beyond the Earth's atmosphere. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to orbit the Earth. His courageous venture aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft marked a groundbreaking moment in space history, proving that human spaceflight was not just a possibility but a reality. Fast forward to the late 1960s and early 1970s, the Apollo program by NASA achieved the seemingly impossible. The Apollo missions, particularly Apollo 11, saw astronauts like Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin setting foot on the lunar surface. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These iconic words echoed the collective achievement of humanity reaching beyond our home planet. The 1980s introduced us to the space shuttle era, a revolutionary concept that allowed reusable spacecraft to carry astronauts and payloads into space. The Space Shuttle program not only facilitated the construction of the International Space Station but also made space travel more routine and accessible. Let's not forget the Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, orbiting high above Earth. Hubble provided us with breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial wonders. It transformed our understanding of the universe and expanded the limits of our cosmic imagination. Lastly, the Voyager probes, launched in the late 1970s, embarked on a grand tour of the outer planets. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 provided us with unprecedented insights into Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back data that continues to enrich our understanding of these distant worlds. The James Webb Space Telescope, Webb, is the next great space science observatory following Hubble, designed to answer outstanding questions about the universe and to make breakthrough discoveries in all fields of astronomy. The Webb was launched on the 25th of December 2021 on an Ariane 5 rocket from Kourou, French Guiana. The telescope's first image was released to the public on the 11th of July 2022. These historical milestones not only showcase human ingenuity and determination, but also pave the way for the exciting era of space exploration that we find ourselves in today. From the first tentative steps beyond Earth to the farthest reaches of our solar system, these milestones are the building blocks of our cosmic journey. As we continue our celestial voyage, let's shift our focus to the unsung heroes of space exploration, the Robotic Explorers. These intrepid machines have ventured where humans cannot, providing us with invaluable data about the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. Our journey takes us first to the red planet, Mars, where a series of robotic explorers have been uncovering its secrets. The Mars rovers, including Curiosity and the more recent Perseverance, have been our robotic eyes and hands on the Martian surface. These rovers analyze soil samples, study rock formations, and even search for signs of past microbial life, expanding our understanding of the potential habitability of Mars. Beyond Mars, the Voyager and Pioneer probes have been our trailblazers, venturing into the outer reaches of our solar system. Voyager 1 and 2, launched in the late 1970s, have provided us with unprecedented views and data about the gas giants, their moons, and even entered interstellar space, carrying messages from Earth in the form of the famous Golden Record. Moving even farther out, the Juno spacecraft has been unlocking the mysteries of Jupiter. By studying the gas giant's atmosphere, magnetic field, and gravitational forces, Juno has provided critical insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. Zooming past the outer edges of our solar system, the New Horizons mission brought Pluto into focus for the first time. This mission provided stunning images and data about Pluto and its moons, challenging our preconceptions and expanding our knowledge of the icy worlds at the solar system's fringes. These robotic explorers, equipped with cutting-edge technology and scientific instruments, act as our eyes and ears in the cosmos. Their missions have not only answered long-standing questions but have also raised new ones, propelling us further into the uncharted territories of space. Now, let's turn our attention to a marvel of human collaboration and technological achievement, the International Space Station, or ISS. Orbiting high above our heads, the ISS is a testament to what we can accomplish when nations come together for a common goal. The International Space Station, a joint project involving space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, represents a microgravity laboratory and a unique living space for astronauts from around the world. The construction of the ISS began in 1998, and it has been continuously inhabited since November 2000. Life on the ISS is a fascinating blend of scientific research, international cooperation, and the challenges of living and working in space. Astronauts on the ISS conduct experiments in various fields, from biology and physics to astronomy and materials science. This research not only benefits life in space but also has practical applications for life on Earth. Maintaining the ISS is an ongoing challenge. Astronauts conduct spacewalks to repair and upgrade components of the station. These extravehicular activities are not only critical for the station's functionality but also provide invaluable training for future space missions. Scientific discoveries on the ISS have ranged from advancements in medicine, studying the effects of microgravity on the human body, to experiments that improve water purification technologies. As we look toward the future, the ISS continues to play a vital role in advancing our understanding of space and laying the groundwork for future exploration. One of the most exciting prospects is NASA's Artemis program, a bold initiative aimed at returning humans to the lunar surface. Building on the legacy of the Apollo missions, Artemis envisions not only a sustainable human presence on the Moon but also serves as a stepping stone for future crewed missions to Mars. Speaking of Mars, the red planet has long captured our imaginations. Ambitious missions are in the pipeline, with plans to send robotic explorers and, eventually, human missions to Mars. SpaceX's Starship, among other projects, is at the forefront of these endeavors, aiming to make interplanetary travel a reality in the coming decades. The Lunar Gateway, a planned space station orbiting the Moon, is another key element in our future exploration endeavors. This collaborative project involving NASA, international partners, and commercial entities aims to support sustained lunar exploration and serve as a staging point for missions deeper into the solar system. Looking even farther ahead, scientists and engineers are exploring concepts for interstellar exploration. While these endeavors remain in the realm of theoretical possibilities, the dream of reaching other star systems and potentially finding signs of extraterrestrial life continues to captivate our collective imagination. As we gaze into the future of space exploration, the possibilities are limitless. As we embark on the final leg of our cosmic journey, we shift our focus to a new frontier in space exploration, the era of private space companies. These trailblazing enterprises are reshaping the landscape, making space more accessible, and pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. At the forefront of private space exploration is SpaceX, founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk. SpaceX has made headlines with its Falcon and Starship rockets, reusable technology, and the ambitious goal of making life multiplanetary. With successful crewed missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and plans for missions to the Moon and Mars, SpaceX is leading the charge in commercial space endeavors. Another key player in the private space sector is Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Blue Origin is committed to building a future where millions of people can live and work in space. With its New Shepard suborbital rocket and plans for the New Glenn orbital rocket, Blue Origin is driving innovation and promoting the idea of space tourism. It's not just about sending humans into space. Private companies are heavily involved in launching satellites for communication, Earth observation, and scientific purposes. These commercial satellite launches contribute to advancements in telecommunications, weather monitoring, and global connectivity. Perhaps one of the most exciting developments is the prospect of space tourism. Companies like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX are working towards making space travel a reality for private individuals. The idea of civilians experiencing the thrill of spaceflight is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. While these companies are based in different countries, international collaboration remains a key aspect of private space exploration. The dream of exploring the cosmos is no longer restricted to a select few but is becoming a reality for an increasingly diverse and dynamic group of space explorers. As we wrap up our journey into the cosmos, it's clear that space exploration is an ever-evolving adventure. The quest for knowledge, the thrill of discovery, and the ambition to reach new frontiers continue to drive us forward. If you're as fascinated by space as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our cosmic explorations. See you in our next video. Until then, keep looking up.